Guys, so now we're back with the theme worksheet. This is your homework, and we're going to start on most of this in class. And what I have here is just I've typed out short, kind of really short passages that have kind of a different type of theme, and it's going to ask you what the theme is and what happened in the story to kind of make you believe this. So it's just a quick little, a quick little worksheet that we have time for in class. We're gonna have about 10 minutes left over today, so these we'll do together, and whatever you don't finish, you'll have to take home and finish for homework. So try to get it done today, so you have much time, or more time to study for the test next class. Okay, we're going to end this part of class, and we're going to be taking our test. We're going to have a whole class period next class to take our unit test. So study all the notes you've taken in class and reread your stories, and we'll be taking the unit test next class, and you guys will do fine. But I want to say for this test, it does have stuff from the mood and tone lesson and everything from there on back. So all the guided notes I've given you, the worksheets, look over all of those, and we put those together last class and check them, so you will have all of your materials needed to take this test. So just make sure you study over these notes, and you guys will do great. Okay, so good luck on the next test, and I will see you guys then.